Alright, so today I have my recipe for slaw. What you're gonna need is some coleslaw mix. I prefer it diced, but this is just the shredded. That's all I could find. A lot of times when I get the shredded instead of the diced, I'll chop it up. Today I'm being lazy. You're gonna need some mayo. This is obviously the only brand to use. You're gonna need some celery seed and just some plain old sugar. So I need, it's easier to do this with my hand. And I have my coleslaw mix here in one of these resealable silicone bags. And I just lined it with paper towels and then put it in there. Because again, since I only cook for me, if I were to just stick this in the fridge in the bag it came in, it would all go bad before I could eat it. So this kind of extends it a little bit. It's a giant piece of carrot. And these bags are by Stasher, and there's a link in the description on where you can get them. And I always get 2 spoons just in case my mayonnaise decides to be annoying. So, and there's not really a measurement to this. You just kind of gloop some in there. And then I have learned to be sparing with the celery seed, and it likes to come out of the thing really fast. But it does have a bit of a strong flavor. And then the same with the sugar, you just kind of eyeball it. Now I kind of do this just a little bit just to get that mayonnaise kind of broken up and in there. I'll take my lid, shake it. I have found that this is a lot easier way of getting everything coated in that mayonnaise. And just kind of break it up, make sure everything's all coated evenly. What? You can't have slaw. Slaw is not for Baghuras. And then you guys gotta taste it. There's a little more sugar. Yeah, you poor thing. Okay, now the other thing is, you don't want this to be too wet, because better. As this sits, the sugar is going to draw moisture out of the cabbage. So it will get more liquidy and better the longer it sits. Slaw is actually something that tastes better as it ages, because everything gets kind of a time to mellow together. Uh-huh. What is your problem? You can't have coleslaw. And in case y'all were wondering how I'm gonna eat this, I just microwaved me 2 hot dogs. And I'm gonna start with a little bit of ketchup. And then my hot dogs. Some pickles. And then my slaw. And there you have it. Also, another little trick. If anyone in your family is prone to kidney stones, this is a trick my Aunt Melanie taught me. Anytime you get some pickles, take you a shot of pickle juice. It sounds gross, but it just tastes like pickles. And that's it. Y'all have a good day. Bye.